Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick comparison between the Apple AirPods Pro and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Two amazing pair of earbuds. I'm going to tell you which ones you should go out and get. Okay, so starting off with the case. These cases could not be any more different. The Apple AirPods Pro case comes in white, has a small light on the front of it to indicate battery life, and charges via Lightning. Does not have wireless charging, keep that in mind. The Samsung case, on the other hand, comes in black, is much more square in design, easier to fit in your pocket, charges via USB-C, and also has wireless charging. And you can also charge these using your Samsung smartphone using reverse wireless charging, which is super convenient. If you like dental floss, then I'd say go with the AirPods Pro case because that suits you better. In terms of battery life, the Galaxy Buds Pros can hit roughly 28 hours of total playtime and 8 hours for one charge of the earbuds. And just 10 minutes of charging can give you up to 85 minutes of total playtime. Now, it's going to vary with ANC. Obviously, your battery life's not going to be as good. The AirPods Pro battery life, on the other hand, can get you around 24 hours with the case on a full charge, and then the earbuds themselves can get you around 4.5 hours, and around 3.5 if you use active noise cancellation. When it comes to design, the AirPods Pro and the Galaxy Buds Pro could not be any more different. The Apple AirPods Pro only come in white, and the Galaxy Buds Pro come in a variety of different colors, including olive and also a purplish color. The silicone tips are pretty similar, actually, as opposed to color, but both have similar number of microphones, and the mic quality is honestly pretty on par. The way to use touch controls is actually vastly different. On the Buds Pro, it requires tapping the outside of it, and for the AirPods Pro, it requires pressing and holding the stem of the earbuds. One thing to note is the Galaxy Buds Pro, the way they fit in the ear and actually the way you secure them can take a lot longer than just putting the AirPods Pro in your ears. The Buds Pro require you to put them in at a certain angle and then rotate backwards in order to get that secure fit, which honestly can take some time. And if you're in a pinch and need to pop in your earbuds really quickly, the Apple AirPods Pro are probably going to be better suited for that. Here's a very just brief demonstration of actually how they look in your ears and how to actually put them and secure them in your ears. As I said, AirPods Pro, extremely easy. Just pop them in. There's a secure fit. No hassle needed. Here are the Galaxy Buds Pros. As you can see, I am currently trying to adjust the silicone tip. Put them in your ears and then have to rotate backwards in order to get that nice seal. But once they're in, they're fine, but it's just that like extra second that can sometimes be a pain. And honestly, the AirPods Pro are a little more comfortable. So let's talk sound quality, right? That's the most important thing when it comes to earbuds. I can talk about design and fit in the ear and all that, but the sound quality is the most important part. Right off the bat, both are incredibly sounding earbuds. Both are top tier. They're the most premium options from both companies at the moment, and both produce very dynamic sounds when listening to various types of music. Bass for both is very similar. Both are very similar in that aspect, so I'm not going to touch on that too much. When it comes to clarity, I honestly think the Galaxy Buds Pro win in that department. But when it comes to just listening to a wide stage of music, I'd say the AirPods Pro come out slightly on top. They're just better suited for most kinds of music. I'd say if you want more bass heavy music, I'd go with the Galaxy Buds Pro. But if you want to customize your earbuds and if you're really into customization, go with the Galaxy Buds Pro because there's a dedicated app for that stuff. You can tweak the sound levels to your liking. You can adjust it to make it more treble heavy, boost the vocals, boost the bass, all that sort of thing. The AirPods Pro just don't have that capability at this moment. Maybe in a software update they'll add it, but as right now, Android is winning the customization battle. And finally, to end this video, let me give you my overall thoughts on a recommendation. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, get the AirPods Pro. If you're in the Samsung ecosystem, get the Galaxy Buds Pro. It's as easy as that. They are very, very similar earbuds in most aspects. Both can do a great job when listening to different kinds of music, and both are great for listening to other sorts of audio like podcasts. So ecosystem is definitely a big factor in your decision. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on another tech review in the future. Stay tuned.